Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the weekly Wednesday travel show. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Carl from Healy Adventures and I post travel adventure content from Southeast Asia right now and around the world in general. So if you are into that kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. Today on Vietnam Vlog 5, we're going to hands down one of my favorite places in Vietnam. It's Cat Ba Island. Traveling Southeast Asia, I saw a lot of karst mountains, but I never saw such a beautiful sight of karst mountains as I did at Cat Ba. Now we went to Ha Long Bay day tour from Cat Ba, so you know my perception of Cat Ba includes Ha Long Bay. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So one of the things I absolutely love doing while traveling is actually traveling, journey by bus, by plane, by train, by ferry. I absolutely love it. Music in my ears, I'm looking out for hours, honestly, and you're just seeing this beautiful landscape. You're passing through villages and seeing the communities, how they actually live. These are not touristic places. I'll sometimes be editing and then every 10 minutes I'll look out and just get so inspired. And from Ninh Binh to Cat Ba, we had to take a bus and a ferry. So cue the indie sad music and the film field clips.
When you're only counting time till the continents collide, but out your window, going somewhere new, I see it through. And the hand of fate that I drew had me down and out, but I've come to. And yeah, I poured out my soul, what I can undo, but I see it through.
So I won't be speaking much about Cat Ba Island, the footage will speak for itself, but I will say two things. I regret not spending more than 2 days in Cat Ba Island, and the other thing is that one of those days we did do a 1-day Ha Long Bay day cruise, stopped in a few islands along the way, and we absolutely loved it. I know of a few travelers who did the 3-day cruise and got bored because you're in the same place, so I would suggest the 1-day tour from Cat Ba Island.
Oh, I can see the picture. My dad in a bottle of liquor, left home that December. Been years but I still remember. Pack my bags, get my ghost. Just when I was losing hope, I saw you standing there on the street. And you said, do you wanna go see the world, not grow old? We can be anything that we dream. We'll be like kings and queens running these city streets. We're gonna rule the world. We're gonna rule the world. Build it up to burn it down. Nothing can stop us now. We're gonna rule the world. We're gonna rule the world. We'll be like. We're gonna rule the world. We're gonna rule the world. We'll be like. We're gonna rule. see the world, not grow old. We can be anything that we dream. We'll be like. We're gonna rule the world. We're gonna rule the world. We'll be like. We're gonna rule the world. We're gonna rule the world. We'll be like kings and queens running these city streets. We're gonna rule the world. We're gonna rule the world.
So I received the package last week that I sent over 3 months ago. It had a lot of stuff that I bought towards the end of Vietnam, and they gave me a tracking number. There was no information on it. I thought it got lost because of COVID, but it finally arrived. I was so thrilled. I have a t-shirt of Vietnam because I got a t-shirt from every country I went to, and I had so many memories in that package and lots of clothes I bought. So I'm thrilled that arrived. And that is it on today's Vietnam Vlog 5. I really hope you enjoyed that. Cat Ba Island and Ha Long Bay are an absolute dream. So if you are going to Vietnam, you really need to visit them. That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
We like to drink with monkey, cause monkey is our mate. And when we drink with monkey, he dances drinking 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.